Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sweetsi here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this luscious and beautiful caramel sauce. So if you want to learn how to make it, stay tuned. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and yeah, let's get right into the video. So let's get started. So in front of me I have two pots. I have a larger pot and I have a smaller pot. The larger pot, your caramel is going to kind of bubble up, so you want to get something where it won't bubble over. So for today's caramel sauce, I weighed out my ingredients. I suggest weighing them out so that way you get a more accurate measurement. So I'm going to take my sugar and I'm going to heat up my big pot on like medium to high heat. I'm going to pour my sugar in here. Along with some cold water, and we're going to let that dissolve, and we're going to wait for that to get a amber color. That's how you're going to get that caramel color. Now over here in the smaller pot, I'm going to take some butter. I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to take some heavy cream and I'm going to pour that in there. And I'm going to take some corn syrup and put that in with our butter and heavy cream. I like to throw in a little pinch of salt in my caramel sauce just to round out the flavors and to bring out the flavors. Now you want to wait until your butter is completely melted in with your heavy cream. And you want to wait till your sugar and water are all dissolved until you get an amber color. Our sugar and water is at a boil. So we're just going to wait for that to turn to a nice golden amber color. To get a little color on the sides. It's starting to get thicker too. Don't touch it. Just let it cook. But it's not going to burn. Just let it cook. This is about the color we should be at. I'm going to turn the heat down. And this is the fun part. You're going to emulsify it. So instead of putting it all in a pan together, you're going to take your butter and heavy cream mixture. You're going to pour it in here. It's going to have a little reaction. Watch. That's why I say have a deeper pan. And you're just going to gradually add this together in several batches. And you're going to keep stirring and pouring. And you're just going to watch it how it all comes together. This is what it looks like after I've added everything in. I'm going to add in just a splash of vanilla. Look at that, look at that, look at that. And I'm just going to give that all a stir. It looks a little weird now, but once it settles, it'll be so luscious and so dark and so caramely. This is our caramel sauce. Look at that. Nice and luscious. It's literally so good. It's so buttery, and it has a nice subtle vanilla flavor at the end from the vanilla extract. I think I'm gonna put this on some ice cream. Yeah, drizzle on some ice cream. Video, I gotta try this little ice cream sundae. I gotta try it. Oh my god, you can never go wrong with vanilla ice cream and caramel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support on Instagram and Facebook and all the social medias. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Let me know. Okay. Bye, guys.